Hey class, I noticed that a lot of people were submitting the assignment incorrectly, your homework assignment incorrectly, so I am not able to see it. So I'm going to go over how to submit your homework assignment. So somewhere on the assignment page should be a blue submit button. You're going to hit submit. And if you scroll down, it should bring up a little box like this, and it has different tabs. You're going to click the tab that says Google Drive. Do not paste a link in here. You're going to click Google Drive. Click Google Drive, wait for it to load, and then in the search bar, you're going to type in the name. So maybe it was 3-2 practice, or maybe it was order of operations. So you're going to type in some keywords so that it pops up some of your assignments in Google Drive. So here I have October 9th, my honors 3-2 practice. It's a Google Sheet. I click it. After you click it, you might have to scroll down. There's a blue link button that shows up. So you click that button, and now you're going to hit Submit Assignment. So now my assignment is submitted. If I want to make sure it looks okay, first of all, it says you submitted, so you should know if you submitted something or not. And then if you click Submission Details, it's going to bring you to your Google Sheet. So you can check and make sure that you put in the right one and everything looks okay. All right, if it's not the right one, just hit Resubmit Assignment and try again.